unboxing the Primera LX2000, one of Primera's newest and fastest pigment inkjet label printers. When you open up the box, you will notice another box that has the power cord, the USB cord, and the individual ink cartridges inside of it. There will also be a stack of information along with the stack of alignment sheets. Alignment sheets are used to print alignments, which the software will prompt you to use when needed. The printer comes with large separate ink cartridges. Since the ink comes individually, it allows you to replace only the cartridge that is used up, saving you money on ink. When you open up the printer, you will notice inside the cardboard there is a sample test roll of 4x3 labels. In the LX2000, you can use roll-fed pressure-sensitive labels, roll-fed tags, fan-fold labels, or tags. They can be gap sensor, timing mark sensor, or continuous. It will be able to print labels up to 8.25 inches wide. When you purchase the LX2000, you are given access to Primera's own label design software, BarTender UltraLite. It is compatible with other label design softwares if you prefer to use a different one. Some special features of the LX2000 include its ability to print at speeds of up to 6 inches per second, up to 4800 dots per inch. Be sure to subscribe to see our next video on how we set up the Primera LX2000. For more information on labels and thermal printers, visit smithcorona.com or give us a call at 1-800-875-7000.